Where are you going?
Surfing! I have no idea how freaking excited I am. Like, really. And by the way, the surf experts that are probably going to tell me right now you're holding your surfboard wrong. I cannot hold it like this. Like, my arm is too short. So I always hold it like this. Anyways, we're going to try to surf. The waves are really, really tiny. But yeah, it doesn't matter. I just want to surf again and see if I can still do it. Alright guys, I think we found a pretty good spot for surfing. Like, the waves are super tiny, but that's good because I'm still a beginner. I'm not a pro whatsoever. So Jeremy is gonna try to take some drone shots because
yes.
that is like his
Hell
thing.
yeah.
Hell yeah. Here you can see some along the coastline, like here where you see the surfers in the water. There the waves are coming up, and that is exactly the spot where I need to be able to stand on my board. I can't wait. I'm like smiling like all day already, like, oh my god, I'm going to surf.
Oh,
and I'm going to eat tacos.
I thought you meant for the taco.
Yeah, we got some tacos. Fake tacos probably, but
Why is everything fake?
because
Like, she went to Chipotle the other day and she was mad. No, this is a fake Mexican. This is not real.
yeah, but honestly, like, the people that are from America, Chipotle is like the most fake ass Mexican stuff ever. I didn't like it. I really didn't.
Where's the Taco Bell?
No, Taco Bell is okay. It's not Mexican, but it's nice. So
It's actually good.
But if it's not Mexican, it doesn't mean that the food needs to be tasting bad. It's just that it's not Mexican. That's all. All I'm saying.
Alright. So, surfing, huh?
Yeah.
How long has it been now?
I think I did the TV show 2 months ago.
You asking me?
No,
September.
longer. 3 months ago.
September.
Yeah. So I did this Dutch TV show, which you could see in my recap video if you watched that, in the Netherlands. And it was a surfing competition. I became third, last of the women standing. So that was pretty cool. And I said to Jeremy right away, like, if we ever go on vacation where I can surf, I will for sure do that. Like, I thought it was so much fun learning that.
It's not the best day, but you're forcing it.
The waves are really small, but that's okay. I mean, yeah, it's fine.
The whole thing is falling apart. So these are going to be your first drone shots, huh?
Not the first.
No. I'm going to try to get up close with you, but I don't want my drone to fall in the water. I don't feel any wind right now, but it might be strong up there, so I don't want my drone to drift off.
That will be fine. I hope I can make like something nice for Instagram or something to show you how it went today. Maybe I'm gonna like fail all the time, you never know, because like I said, it's like 3 months ago. And I really don't know if I still can. It would be really strange if I wouldn't, because I surfed for like 2.5 weeks straight. But yeah, we'll
it's
see.
not so long ago. Can I have a piece of that?
No.
Asshole. So what's this line for over here?
This thing is like a little safety line, because if you go into the waves and you let go of your board, it will always attach to your ankle, so you will never lose your surfboard in the middle of surfing, for instance. So this will go to your ankle, and these fins will actually keep your surfboard straight while you're gonna stand on it. So yeah, I will just show you in a moment. But like I said, this needs to be on your ankle. It's a little safety line to not lose your surfboard. And I always put it on my right ankle. No idea if it's comfortable for someone else putting it on the other one. But at least I know, like, if I stand up, yeah, I stand up like this, like the line is behind me.
Do that again. How do you do that?
Like this. So it's very important to warm up before you go surfing. I made the mistake a couple of times that I didn't do that, and my muscle pain was so bad. I was so sore the next day, so I will never do that again. And then I'm like, standing on a surfboard. Look, this is how you stand up.
Wait, let me get a better angle.
Huh? Place your hand next to your chest, and actually when you push up, you're gonna go like this. And the first thing you'll do is like put your feet under your body. It's really hard though, but if you practice enough, it should work. And then you're like in a light stance through your knees, hands next to your chest, so you're paddling, 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 paddling.
Smooth.
Smooth.
All right, go. Vamos.
Yes. I didn't catch so many waves, and the water is so cold, I don't feel my toes anymore.
Did I just see a guy bump into you?
Yeah, motherfucker. I was so mad. That was like the perfect wave of those. How long was I in the water? 2 hours?
Jeez, I don't know. Did he say sorry?
No, the bitch just left. I was so mad.
The bitch.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the cursing, but that was the most perfect wave, finally. Because we had to wait for a long time, and then that guy's is bumping into me. Oh well, I liked it anyways. I have some scratches though from the rocks on the bottom. Now you can't see it, but my feet on the bottom are red. Fire red. And it hurts. Just to show you how cold it is, like my hands are purplish. You see this? Oh my god. What happened?
See him looking?
Yeah, he's looking at you.
Hey.
What did he do?
While you were out surfing, this guy, he tried to get in the bag, get the stuff. I don't know what he was trying to get, probably the tacos or whatever. I'm over there trying to do the drone and shit.
Yeah.
I look around, I see him with his beak into this shit.
Really?
And then, you know, maybe it's just my imagination, he look up to me, he's like, so what you gonna do now, nigga? He's getting nervous.
Uh-huh. So when are you learning how to surf?
Learning? Dude. Like this?
Yep.
Alright. Catching the waves. Wave after wave. No? Alright.
Right there. It's mostly in a natural habitat.
This is not my natural habitat. It's freezing. But the Insta stories are on again. Oh, Jesus, look. Boomerang. Pretty cool. And a cool picture. Now we're going to Snapchat.
How about we go eat?
Yeah, I know. Okay. And Snapchat is on.
How about we go eat?
Now we can go. So we just got home, got some Panda Express. Pretty nice meal. It's just chicken with rice and everything in it. I feel disgusting. Like my hair is all salty and sand and it smells. So I need to shower. Anyways, we are off. Hello, mister. You. Hello. Oh, we're saying goodbye. Do a little thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.